Once upon a time, in a cozy home, lived Linda and Ronald, two adorable cats deeply in love. Their union brought joy and laughter to their lives, until the day Linda discovered she was expecting kittens.
In today's tutorial, we are going to see how you can create a channel like AI Cat 7. They have got only 46 videos. Out of that, they have gained 1.49 million subscribers, and yearly income is around 323.1k dollar, which again considers a very nominal RPM. So let's see how we can create such animated video very easily. Let's go. Step 1. Getting the reference images. For that, we will be taking any of these videos. Now while playing, your duty is to take one snapshot of this image. So for this, you can use any tool. I am using snipping tool. Don't worry about watermark. We are just going to use these images as a reference. Once you take the screenshot, save it somewhere. Like this, you will have to take all the images screenshot. Part 2, getting the prompt ready. For that, we are using this simple software which is unlimited free as of now. The name of the software is image2prompt.com. Go to image2prompt.com, go to upload photo option and upload one by one those photographs. Now go to generate prompt option. In a while, it will generate the prompt, appropriate prompt for this image. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Step 2, image to prompt. For this, we will be using animgenius.live3d.io. I will leave this link in the description. So what all you need to do is once you create your account, you get 50 credits for free. Okay. You need to upload your image the way I have uploaded. You can upload any one image and then you will have to click on generate button and they will generate the prompt. So all I need to do is just copy this prompt from here. And now let us move forward to the next part. Head over to bing.com and go to this image option and then create. Now here, all we need to do is we need to paste the prompt, and as per the prompt, it will generate the images. Okay, out of that prompt, they have generated these 4 images. You can check, these are pretty good in quality, I must say. So I like all these 3. So if you want, you can go and download these images. Like this, you will have to create all the scenes images one by one. Now once that is done, let us move forward to the next part. I want you to observe one thing. They have actually taken 16:9 ratio, but they have used the same image as a background, blurring it, and they have put this image in front. That kind of gives a reused framework. So we don't want that. We want this one image to occupy the entire 16:9 widescreen ratio. For that, I'm going to head over to Canva. If you don't have Canva Pro, then please go to my affiliate link and upgrade to Canva Pro for 1 month, absolutely free. So after you come to Canva and log in, you can directly go to this video option from the selection. Here you will get a blank template. That's better for us. Now we are going to upload our images. So go to this upload section, the left hand side, and upload the images which you have just generated from Bing. Now I will take these images one by one, see properly on the screen. As soon as I select, let it get uploaded. As soon as I select, they will come here. Now go to this top left hand side corner, edit photo option, and go to this magic expand option, whole page, and expand. They will give 4 variety of images. You may choose any one. So see, they have given this image, this one, and this one. So I like this one the most. So I'll go for this one. If you want, you can generate further. Okay. At this moment, I'm taking this one. Go to done. Okay. Now you take the new slide and take the second image. Like this, you'll have to one by one create all these images. Now we need a story. Now here we do a little bit of back calculation. As per the imageries, we create the storyline. So like that, I have created a storyline, a short storyline of two cute cats, Ronald and Linda, and I have given the instruction to create a short story with a model. And then I will go to this send message option. Copy this storyline to create the voiceover. So I have copied my storyline. Next, we will be creating the voiceover. For voiceover, you may use any software. I am using a free software called 11 Labs. So I'll be just pasting that story from there, and I will be selecting any voiceover artist from here. And once selected, you can also play and listen to the voice, whether you like it or it goes well with your story or not. Then once you've selected, just go to this generate speech option. So my speech is generated. I will go to this download button at the bottom right hand side corner and download the speech in my laptop. Now next is getting the meow sound. For that, go to YouTube and search for meow cat sound, and you will get many meow sound or cat sound. So all you need to do is select one such video, copy the video's title, and here go to YouTube downloader and select SS YouTube and paste the link here and go to download. Once you go to download, they will give many options. We will just need the audio, so I will just download 720 MP4 format. Okay, so now you let us go and edit the final video. So I already have shown you how to open the video. We are already into video. So all I need to do is I need to upload that video. So I'll go to upload file option and upload this video. Take a new page and upload this video. So right click and go to extract audio option. Bring the audio to the right place. Okay, now you can duplicate the track and continuously keep duplicating. Okay, like that you will have to fill up the entire screen. You will have to add some transitions if you want. Here you can go in between and give a resolve transition. And for the page zoom out animation, select the page and go to animation. Okay, here you should be coming to zoom in page animation. You should be going to this zoom out or zoom in animation. Zoom out means it will go far away like this, and zoom in. So what I'll do is, if first page I'm giving zoom out, next page I'll give zoom in. Again third page zoom out, and fourth page zoom in. Okay, like this it will make a kind of similar effect. One small thing, if you want to give a special effect, then go to element, go to snowfall effect. Okay, this keyword. Now you in the graphics section you get different snowfall effect. You can go to animated one by clicking on this. Okay, and you can see different snowfall effects. You can try any one of them. Okay, now you can just stretch, overlay. If you want to reduce the transparency, then just come here, reduce it a little bit. Okay, like this you can use any of these. Okay, after giving transition and animation, this is the time when we should be sharing it or downloading it. So go to this share button, go to download button. MP4 should be selected, all your pages. Right now I have just shown you 4 pages, guys, but when you'll be doing the final editing, you should be selecting all your 10-15 pages, and then done, and then download, and this is the final result.
Once upon a time, in a cozy home, lived Linda and Ronald, two adorable cats deeply in love. Their union brought joy and laughter to their lives, until the day Linda discovered she was expecting kittens. Excitement filled their hearts as they eagerly awaited the arrival of their little ones. But fate had other plans. As Linda went into labor, Ronald rushed her to the hospital, only to face heartbreaking news. Despite the joy of welcoming 5 precious kittens, tragedy struck when Linda's health suddenly deteriorated. With heavy hearts, Ronald and their newborn kittens bid farewell to their beloved Linda as she embarked on her journey to eternity. Morale of the story: cherish every moment with loved ones, for life is unpredictable and precious.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.